Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel. Okay, in this video, we are going to learn about Unit 4, Forms and Uses of Energy. And this video is for Grade 6. Are you ready to start? Let's say Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Part 1. Forms of energy. Name the form of energy and its function in the situation given in the diagram below. Picture A. The form of energy is heat energy, and the function is to provide energy to solar panel to create electricity for the house. Picture B. The form of energy is electrical energy, and the function is to provide cool air. Picture C. The form of energy is light energy, and the function is to help people crossing safely. Picture D. The form of energy is sound energy, and the function is to make announcement or warnings. Picture E. The form of energy is potential energy, and the function is it is stored in bow and is converted to kinetic energy when the string is released. Picture F. It is kinetic energy. A runner is able to run from the starting point to the final destination. Part 2. Conversion of energy. Write the conversion of energy based on the pictures below. Look at the picture and look at the television. The energy conversion is electrical energy to light or sound energy. Picture A. Look at the girl. The girl is turning on the fan, and the energy conversion is electrical energy to kinetic energy. Picture B. The energy conversion is potential energy to kinetic energy. Picture C. Look at the mom. Mom is cooking, and the energy conversion is heat energy to potential energy. Part 3. Alternative sources of energy. Answer all the questions below. Question A. What are renewable energy sources? And the answer is the energy sources that will not run out and can always be replenished. Question B. What are non-renewable energy sources? The energy sources that will run out and deplete when they are used in the long term. Classify all the energy sources below to renewable and non-renewable sources: petroleum, waves, natural gas, coal, wind, and sun. And renewable sources are waves, wind, and sun. And non-renewable sources are petroleum, natural gas, and coal. Objective questions. Choose the best answer. Number 1. Which of the following items produces light and heat energy only? And the answer is lighted candle. Number 2. What is meant by heat energy? The answer is C. Energy released by a hot object. Number 3. Which of the following involves sound energy? And the answer is B. Fireworks. Number 4. Which of the following possesses kinetic energy? And the answer is C. Number 5. The diagram below shows that audience are clapping their hands. What is the conversion of energy involved? And the answer is A. Kinetic energy to sound energy. Number 6. The diagram below shows a durian falling to the ground. What is the energy conversion involved? The answer is A. Potential energy to kinetic energy. Number 7. The diagram below shows a method used to get renewable energy. What happens if the usage of this energy increases? And the answer is C. Decreases air pollution. Number 8. The diagram below shows the classification of energy, source of energy, petroleum, natural gas, and X, wind, water, and Y. Which of the following pairs represent X and Y correctly? And the answer is A. coal, and waves. Number 9. Why must non-renewable sources be used wisely? And the answer is B. The sources will be depleted. Number 10. The diagram below shows one form of energy generated from a power station. What should we do if the source of nuclear energy is exhausted? And the answer is A. Increase the number of hydropower stations. Subjective questions. Answer all the questions below. The diagram below shows 3 electrical appliances and the energy conversion involved. Picture X is iron, Y is oven, Z is television. Complete the table below. Item X. The energy conversion is electrical energy to heat energy. Item Y. Electrical energy to light energy and heat energy. Item Z. Electrical energy to light energy, sound energy, and heat energy. Question B. Name one example of an electrical appliance that has the same energy conversion as an electric fan. And the answer is washing machine or vacuum cleaner. Question C. The diagram below shows a toy car that will move after absorbing light. Fill in the blanks with the energy changes that take place when the toy car starts to move. The first is solar energy, and it changes into electrical energy. And the last is kinetic energy because the toy car is moving. Question number 2. The diagram below shows 2 stations that function to generate electricity in city X. This is picture P and this is picture Q. Question A. What are the energy sources used to generate electricity in city X? And from picture B, the source is from fossil fuels. And picture Q, the source is from wind. Question B. Why is the energy source used in P known as a non-renewable energy source? And the answer is because the source is limited and cannot be replenished.
C. What is the disadvantage of energy source Q? And the answer is the amount of the electricity generated depends on the strength of the wind. If there is no wind, there would be no electricity generated. Question D. The diagram below shows a type of electric power station. What is the energy produced by this power plant? And the answer is nuclear. Explain how electricity is generated from this power plant. The nuclear reactors produce heat through a process called fission. The heat is then used to turn water into steam that spins the turbines, which drive the generators to produce electricity.
Alhamdulillah, I think it's enough from the lesson. See you in my next video. And don't forget, if you think the video is helpful, click like and give good comment. And share to the people or friends who needs the lesson. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.